Good afternoon and welcome to my video tutorial presentation. Today I am going to take you through class 5 science and the topic is eating habits. Before we go into our lesson, I would like to read the objectives. By the end of the lesson, each child should be able to define or tell eating habits, explain the impact of junk food in their health, and finally, tell the importance of eating habits. As we know, health is wealth. So, to keep ourselves fit and healthy, we need to eat different kind of food. We cannot do anything without food. Our body needs energy to do work and play. And to get that energy, we need to eat good food. Healthy food is very essential for all the living beings, so we must follow good eating habits. What is eating habits? The term eating habits refers to why and how people eat, which foods they eat and with whom they eat. So, it is important to decide what type of food are we going to eat and with whom are we going to eat. Now, importance of eating habits. Why eating habits are important in our day-to-day life. Good nutrition is an important part of leading a healthy lifestyle. Your diet can help you to reach and maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risks of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer, and it also promotes our overall health. Now, how to maintain good eating habits? We must keep more fruits, low-fat dietary products, vegetables and whole grains foods at home. Add this healthy food to your diet rather than taking unhealthy food. Try to eat a family meal every day at the kitchen or dining table. So, taking a meal with the family is also very important. Now, what are bad eating habits? Bad eating habit here means poor eating habits. It is poor eating habits which include under or overeating, not having enough of healthy foods we need each day, or consuming too many types of food and drinks which are low in fiber or high in fat or salt. So, undereating and overeating here means we should not eat more also and we should not eat less also. We have to eat right amount of food. Now, what is junk food? Do you like junk food? Yes, everybody of us like junk food. Even old people enjoy eating junk food. But do you think they are really good to our health? Junk food is unhealthy food that is high in calories from sugar or fat with little dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, minerals or other important forms of nutritional values. So, we should not take junk food. They are not good for our health. So here I have some examples of junk food. They are noodles, ice creams, chips and pizzas. Now, what are the impact of junk food in our health? Eating a poor quality diet will lead us to higher risks of obesity, depression, digestive problem, heart disease, stroke, and we may also suffer from diabetes and cancer, and will have early death. So sometime we may have to face early death. Now, what are the benefits of healthy eating habits? There are so many benefits, but I have listed some of them here. So they are: number 1, weight loss; number 2, reduce cancer risks; number 3, diabetes management; number 4, heart health and stroke; number 5, strong bones and teeth. So let me go a little bit in detail about the benefits. Weight loss. Losing weight can help to reduce the risks of chronic conditions. If a person is overweight, they have a higher risk of developing several diseases. So, we should take more vegetables and fruits because they are lower in calories. Fiber is one element of a healthful diet that is particularly important for managing weight. Reduce cancer risks. An unhealthy diet can lead to obesity, which may increase person's risk of developing cancer. So, weighing within the range may reduce the risks. However, diet rich in fruits and vegetables may help to protect against cancer. Diabetes management. Eating a healthy diet can help a person with diabetes to lose weight if required, manage blood glucose levels, keep blood pressure and cholesterol within the target range, and prevent or delay complication of diabetes. Heart health and stroke. Stroke can be prevented by making lifestyle change, such as doing physical exercise, physical activities, and eating healthy food. Reduce blood pressure can also be essential for heart and limiting the amount of salt intake. Finally, strong bones and teeth. A diet with adequate calcium and magnesium is necessary for strong bones and teeth. Keeping the bones healthy is vital in preventing arthritis in the later period of life. Arthritis is the disease which is related to the bones, and people face this type of diseases in the later period of their life. Now, I have some important points to be kept in our mind. Food are important for our healthy living. It must contain all types of nutrients needed for growth, protection, and work. It must be taken on regular time. We must avoid junk food, which is unhealthy for our health. Junk food reduces appetite, and if less or no normal food is eaten, it may lead to malnourishment. We should always follow healthy eating habits. With this, I am Sujata Gurung, working in CMSS under Choka Jongkhap. Thank you. Thank you very much.